again. Things are a little flooded. Hey friends, I decided to ignore the weatherman this weekend and go camping anyway in spite of their calling for rain tonight. It'll be okay. It's supposed to just rain for a little while in the morning and then clear up for the rest of the weekend, so I can deal with that. There's a lot of standing water out here though. So I started planning on where I was going to go this weekend on Monday, and I was planning on heading back out to East Texas to avoid the burn bans. But because it's rained all week, I guess, they have lifted the burn bans northeast of Dallas. So I'm heading up to the Caddo Grasslands, and I think it's called Coffee Mills Lake. I'm not sure. So we will see if it is over its banks or if camping is going to be a thing we can do. Should be interesting. So I'm almost there. I'll show you when we get there. But yeah, I've just been noticing tons of standing water in these folks' yards and on the sides of the roads and stuff. So should be interesting. Texas. It's flooding or it's droughting. It's got to be something all the time. Keeps us on our toes. Alright, well, let's see. Well, this is cute. Pretty wet, but cute. Alright, I'm going to pick out a spot, maybe, and go from there. Alright, so this is okay and everything, but there's another one 3 miles down the road. I'm going to check it out and make a educated decision. So, bit of standing water, for sure. This is Coffee Mill Lake. Go try out this other one. I think it's called West Crockett. Right. 4 minutes it says. Yeah, I'd say they got a little rain. Wow. Check out how fast that water's moving. Wow. Huh. Guess we'll find out how good of an idea this is. It's supposed to rain more tonight. Egads. Alrighty then. Let's try this place. West Crockett. Let's see if it's any better. Maybe. It's good work. At least I can drive right up to my campsite here. Alright, I'm going to check it out and decide. Alright, so I picked a spot. I'll show you around. A little stand of pine trees behind me. Start a little fire. It's very wet, but let me show you what I'm doing over here. I just brought a few pieces of store-bought firewood. That's what I had in my van with me. And I had an empty beer box, so I turned it inside out to use as a bottom layer. I put one of the cheapest Duralogs I could find. I bought one of those at Walmart. I've got a piece of store-bought wood there, and I'm going to try to dry out some of this wet wood. So this was just sitting here by the fire pit, so I thought, what the heck, I'll dry it out and use it. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this wood is saturated. So once I can get this going a little bit, Then I can get some of this dried out and maybe keep a fire going until it rains. So I just checked the weather. They said it's 41 degrees and it's not supposed to rain until 9 o'clock tonight. But it's supposed to get really foggy, and it is starting to get foggy already. So, yep, I'm the only one in this campground. There's a reason for that. This is pretty much like a horse camp. People bring their horse trailers here. There's places to tie their horses up at each site, which is really kind of nice. I don't know if you can see that pole thing right there. But yeah, this is not prime weather for horseback riding at all. Like I said, it's been raining for a week. Everything's very muddy, so I don't expect anyone to come out here. So there were a couple of free campsites and a couple of paid ones right on the lake. But with all this rain we've been getting, I just decided I would sleep better if I was a little ways away from the lake. So yeah, the bridge says, you know, it might not be passable, that it might flood and go underwater, and I don't want to be on the other side of that. So I decided I would just camp right here. It's $6 a night. I said I don't think anybody will even come check, but I dropped my little $6 in the bucket there for them. I sure do appreciate having a nice place like this, and it is only $6. There's a restroom facility up front. Then they have picnic tables, fire rings, water, and it's nice and clean and cared for. So anyway, yep, I'm going to work on that campfire, and I'm going to work on some dinner, and just chill out here by the fire and read a book for a little while. Enjoy my Friday evening. These birds are so cool. I don't know what you are that's making that noise. It is so foggy and quiet, and maybe a little bit spooky. Yep. Why do I feel more comfortable here than I do in a Walmart parking lot? It's nice, nice fire. Yeah, it's probably too foggy and dark for this. Yeah, I can't really explain why I feel more comfortable here in the woods by myself than I would in the middle of a city with a bunch of people. But I just truly do. I know that there's really nothing out here. I've been out here for 4 or 5 hours this evening. I've seen nothing. I've seen no one. There is a road not far from me, and every now and then a car will drive by it down the road. But, yep, nobody stopped in here, so... Yep, I love it. It's just so relaxing to me to be out here with nature. Just me and the campfire and the birds and the fog. Hopefully Bigfoot won't get me, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Stay lost, my friends. Sleep well in the woods.